Want to know how to export your project in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first is simply open up your NetBeans application. So once you opened up your NetBeans application, here you should be provided with this menu right here. So once you're there, on the top you should be seeing some navigation bar. So just simply select file right here on the top left side, and once you select your file, make sure you have also saved your project first. Now once you've done that, just simply select export project right here and then select to zip after hovering on it. Now you can simply do it on the root project or simply select other directory as well. So you can just simply select browse right here to select other directory and also the build zip. And once you're done with everything, just simply select export right here and then you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you next one.